What's going on, guys? I am Connie. Thanks for tuning in to my channel today on my life and beauty vlogs. Also, I call them my LBVs. So in today's video, I actually wanted to talk about the imPRESS press-on manicure nails because a lot of you guys have actually been asking me about them, where I've been getting them, and just how long do they last and so on and so forth. So in the light and in the spirit of Halloween, I decided to pick up, well, my sister helped me pick up the limited edition glow-in-the-dark set from them, and I'm going to show you guys how I place them on as well as talk about the pros and cons. First, I measure out each press-on nail to my natural nails to make sure that they fit properly. So I've already done so already. I pre-measured them out so I know that they'll fit in each finger nicely. I have them all lined up here. So next what I'll do is file down my nails and buff them out. I'll take the mini file like I showed you guys earlier, and I'll just file whatever I have left going on here. Again, I've already prepped my nails for the sake of this video, so it'll go a lot faster, but I'm just kind of showing you guys quickly what you can do with it. Then I'll also buff the top so that the adhesive will stick really nicely and bond to my natural nails. Or so you see all the scratches on there. Then I will take my alcohol / prep pad right here like I have for you guys, and I'll rip it open. And then just open it up and just wipe it down to remove any excess oils on your nails and just debris. Okay, put that aside. Now I'm ready to put on my press-on nails. Applying them is so easy because each nail that comes in the box already has an already patented super hold adhesive on them. As you can see right there with the clear film. You see that? So all you have to do is remove the film from each nail and then just apply and push it down onto your nails so that it bonds. And make sure you align the clear film tab with the cuticle. It's shown on the box. So I'm going to keep doing that for the rest of my nails. Remove the clear film, apply it on top of my nail, align it correctly, and I push down to bond. Once I finish applying them all, now I have the bombest nails. Fire! I'm super Halloween ready, guys. So now that you see me put on the press-on nails, they were so fun, they were so easy, and that's really the reasons why I love specifically the imPRESS brand. It's the fact that it's so easy to apply, it's such a fast process, there's little to no damage to your nails, and they're easy to remove, interchangeable, so if you buy a couple of boxes and you want to kind of customize your own little look on your hands, you totally can, and they do last up to 2 weeks. And also, they don't chip off at all. They'll dull out, but they don't chip off. And lastly, where you can find them, CVS, Walgreens, and even Target. There's so many variations, and you could even look online on imPRESS nails themselves. So there are some cons to the imPRESS manicure nails though, but it's definitely not a deal breaker for me. I've honestly had really good experiences from it. Not every product is super duper perfect, but I do want to bring up how that sometimes within a week, some of the nails will come off a little faster than others. And maybe it's because the mold isn't perfect to my natural nail bed, which is fine. And sometimes if you don't bond it correctly or push it down to stick it onto your nail perfectly either, water may get in between it, so it'll unstick the press-on a lot faster. Sometimes what I'll do is get a dry paper towel and I'll pat the adhesive dry so that it can re-stick. But at that point, you kind of lose the retention of the press-on. So what I would do is just replace it with a brand new nail that is in the box. Another bad thing is that the press-ons don't have full adhesive coverage, I would say, underneath the press-on. What I mean by that is that sometimes at the cuticle area, it feels like it doesn't have any stickiness to it. So the way I would compare it is as if you were to get your nails done at a salon, and after a couple weeks or 3, you know, they start lifting in the cuticle area. So when I would try to put my hair up, let's just say, it will snag. So that hurts obviously, and that's kind of a downside. But again, not a deal breaker. I can just easily replace it, no big deal. And then lastly, obviously not every product is for everybody, and I would say that imPRESS manicure nails aren't good for those who already have very long nail beds, because a majority of their templated products that they have, like I have over here, they're actually quite short. I personally like short nails, so that is why I love this brand, and it fits my nail beds perfectly. Specifically this limited edition one though, the nails are a little more longer. So I think if you had longer nails or longer nail beds in general, this would be good for you too. But normally a lot of their products have shorter nails than these. Like I said, if you already have naturally long nail beds, imPRESS manicure may not be the best choice for you to use. Other than that, I super duper duper love this product. Like, I live by it, I praise it, I preach it, I love it. I just love it, guys. So thank you guys for watching again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned a little something. Hopefully I can save you guys some money when it comes to nails. And stay tuned for more. Thank you guys. Bye.